Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are going to tie an unconventional gele, and the measurement for this gele is 70-30. You're going to use your 30 to form a V base, then you make use of your 70 for the remaining part of the style. So watch carefully. We made use of 7 pleats for our base. As you can see, we are bringing our shorter hand forward to form the V. Ensure that your pleats are properly pleated, and also that the V is in the center. When you're done with that, you go ahead to take the longer flap across the head. So watch carefully and see how it's done. So let me give you a backstory of what motivated me to do this style of gele. I actually saw it on someone. I'm pretty sure it's a gele stylist that did it for her. You understand? And I was like, this is fine. That since it's a round base, let me try and see if I can make it a V base. So that's what we are doing today. And this style of gele is very easy to do. Now, as you can see, we are making do with the long flap. You're going to twist it. When you twist it, when you get to the middle, that's where the V is. You stop twisting, then you go ahead to form your bigger pleats. So just watch and see how I do it. If you're in the Ashwebi gang, you can rock this style for your Ashwebi parties, your wedding parties and all of that. It's simple but it's stylish. Now, after we are done with our twisting, we are just going to take a pleat. Now note, this pleat that we collected is the one that we use in wrapping or forming the twist. You understand? So when you've collected your pleat, you pin down to the base before you proceed to start making your bigger pleats. So just watch carefully. And when you're done pinning down, the part of the twist, the other side where the twist is, you're going to pin it also so that it's secure.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never.
And please, before you start picking your bigger pleats, that's when you've pinned to the base, ensure that you open that part that you've twisted. Look for the other end, then open it out so that when you're forming your bigger pleats, it's not going to give you issues.
And every day, the past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in.
After we are done with that, now we go ahead to pick fans by the side. It doesn't have to be plenty. You just pick the ones that your fabric can carry. Then you go ahead to twist again for the second time. And when you want to twist this time around, you're going to take that your first pleat that you pinned. That's what you're going to use to wrap around what you've created. So watch and see how I do it. We're like 70% done with our Gele style. Can you see it? You use that one, wrap round, form your twist, pin at the back. Now you see that part that we are drawing, it's because that other side it's bulky. So if you're doing this and you see or you notice that the other end of your Gele, the other side is bulky, you draw it. You put your hand inside and draw the exact place that you see me draw. Then you go ahead to pin this one that you've twisted, ensure that it's properly secured so that it doesn't move. After that, we go ahead to pin the back properly and neatly. Then we proceed to do finishing touches on our Gele. And there you have it. This is our Gele. Very fine, classy and beautiful. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.